Eastern Redbud, Cercis canadensis, is a beautiful flowering tree native to North America. Known for its vibrant pink or purple flowers that bloom in early spring, the Eastern Redbud is a popular choice for landscapes and gardens. If you're interested in growing Eastern Redbud in your own garden, this step-by-step guide will provide you with the necessary instructions to successfully cultivate this stunning tree. Site selection. Choose a suitable location for your Eastern Redbud tree. It thrives in full sun to partial shade, so select an area that receives at least 6 hours of direct sunlight per day. Ensure the soil is well draining to prevent waterlogging. Seed stratification, if growing from seed. If you choose to grow Eastern Redbud from seed, stratify the seeds to break their dormancy. Place the seeds in a sealed plastic bag with a moistened growing medium, such as vermiculite or peat moss. Refrigerate the bag for 60 to 90 days, mimicking winter conditions. Soil preparation. Prepare the planting site by loosening the soil to a depth of around 12 inches. Add compost or organic matter to improve soil fertility and drainage. This will provide a favorable environment for the Eastern Redbud tree's roots. Planting the seed or sapling. For seeds, sow the stratified seeds in the prepared soil, burying them about half to 1 inch deep. Space the seeds at least 10 feet apart to allow for proper growth. For saplings, dig a hole that is twice as wide and slightly deeper than the root ball of the sapling. Place the sapling in the hole, ensuring the soil level is the same as or slightly above the surrounding ground. Watering and mulching. Water the newly planted Eastern Redbud thoroughly, ensuring the soil is evenly moist. Apply a layer of mulch around the base of the tree, but keep it a few inches away from the trunk. Mulch helps retain soil moisture and suppresses weed growth. Regular care and maintenance. Water the tree regularly, especially during dry periods, to keep the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged. Avoid overwatering, as excessive moisture can lead to root rot. Monitor the tree for signs of pests or diseases and take appropriate action if necessary. Optional fertilization. If the tree shows signs of nutrient deficiency or poor growth, you can apply a balanced slow-release fertilizer in early spring. Follow the manufacturer's instructions for application rates and methods. Enjoying the Eastern Redbud. With proper care and patience, your Eastern Redbud tree will grow and bloom in spring, adorning your garden with its spectacular pink or purple flowers. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the beauty of this magnificent tree.